Today is Sunday, and basically what we want to do, I'm going to pop a little bit of olive oil inside of a front pan, roughly about a teaspoon of olive oil. To be honest, what I want to do today is to show you, you know what I mean, veg is nice and I love my veg. Basically I'm going to do a vegetable, I'm going to do a Sunday vegetable fried up cabbage. I got half of a cabbage right here. I got carrot, tomato, mixed pepper, spring onion and white onion. First thing, I got 2 cloves of garlic. That's the first thing which I want to do, is to cut up my garlic. Alright, straight inside of the oil with the front pan. Second thing, I got some carrot here. One, just gonna simple dice it up. I love garlic, guys, and honestly the garlic is so fantastic. Straight in it. I got another one right here. It's just like some carrot which I need to use up, and I said no, I'm just gonna be using up these things today. It's Sunday. Lovely. White onion, look at that, beautiful. Straight in it. Couple sparks of spring onion, there's about 4 or 5 of them. We're gonna cut them up very small. One tomato. Bringing a flavor to it also. Mixed pepper. This is a green one. And this is the yellow one. Red pepper. Cabbage. Just cut out the stem, then cut that very small. Nice one. Straight in the front pan. Just get rid of the stem. Don't need the stem. Make sure you wash off a cabbage on your veg. Lovely and nice. So that's all the veg. Look at that, beautiful, really nice. So basically we're gonna fry it off this now for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. We're not gonna cover it because we just want it to be fried up. So it's a Sunday vegetable fried up cabbage. All right, so look how you do this one. Nice. First of all, get your stove on. Little bit of coarse pepper. Pinch of salt. Little bit of mixed herb. Bring in some flavor. a little bit of all-purpose season for option. Alright, so we're gonna keep stirring it as it fry and as it goes along. You will see exactly what I'm doing. That's lovely. Basically, that's what I'm doing. You notice, I'm just stir him up. Look at that, beautiful. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Oh, look guys, at the moment I got it on a medium size heat. Whole heap of veg and thing in it, the garlic, really nice, good to go. Let's taste it. Really nice. Cook for a few more minutes. Nice and lovely guys, look at that. Beautiful. As you can see, I just finished it now. So basically what we're gonna do, you can share it out in a side plate and you can have that for a nice lovely Sunday dinner. Turn off the stove. This is finished now. Thank you so much for watching Chef Kuala cooking show. As you can see right here with the healthy cabbage. This is a healthy vegetable dish. And I mean, I got some veg on that, so I decided to try this. Let's do something with it. This is a Sunday vegetable fried cabbage. Really nice and beautiful. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye.